Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. So today I'm gonna do unboxing. I got something from Chanel. So there were so many people waiting outside. Fortunately, I made an appointment with my essay. I could get in right away. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This pink 19 bag I had to try. So beautiful, stunning. For a long time I haven't contacted, I didn't buy anything, but like I actually wanted to buy something small, like small leather goods, like wallet on chain, or I also wanted to check some jewelry like earring or some ring. So I was checking online what I wanted to buy. So if you check my previous video, you can see my wish list for Chanel jewelry. So I actually wanted to check if they have a Coco Crush ring. So I was checking with my essay if they have my size. She said they don't have my size. I was not sure about my size, so I wanted to go check because they might have maybe another color. I made appointment, so I visited. It's been like over 6 months, I would say. So I was so excited. Also, I was not sure what to get since I have Chanel 19 black bag. I decided to buy something maybe small bag, like a mini flat bag, something like that, or like walk. So yeah, I was asking my salesperson if there's any like walk in black color. So she was saying they don't really have many in store now. So many black color is like so popular, so it's not easy to get black color in any design or size, she's saying. So I was saying let me just try, and I might buy just a Coco Crush ring. So I was not sure about bag or small leather goods. I bought only one wallet from Chanel. I didn't want to buy something big this time. So yeah, I was telling her if there's any, I can stop by store. I can look at it, look at any item they have. So she said, okay, feel free to come. So I made an appointment. I visited. Now, let's do unboxing. So my essay said you can actually see the size, it's smaller than bags. I was not in waitlist for this model. I didn't ask before. It was like a few days ago I just asked casually by text message, and I was just asking if they have any small size or any walk in black. So you might guess the color, but yeah, I don't think you can guess what is inside. So for sure it's not wallet. Yeah. But so they didn't have the proper original box this time because small, they had only big size. My essay promised to send me the original box later. Yeah, just complimentary. They gonna send by mail, they are saying. So let me just open this one. Oh my god, so cute. Even though the box is a little bit not original one. I was surprised, really. When I see this, I was trying to buy Coco Crush ring. When I see this, because in my budget, I was thinking one walk, which is like less than $2,000, right? And one Coco Crush ring to order. even though they didn't have my size in store, I could just order Coco Crush ring and then get one wok. That was my budget. So, but when I get this, okay, I don't need any jewelry this time. This is enough for Valentine's Day. I am happy, enough happy, because it's not easy to get. I heard about it, how hard to get, and then I was so lucky because as I said, even though I was not on waitlist and I was not asking before, I just casually asked like few days ago. She even didn't know on the day there will be this one because she didn't order for me. It just arrived in store on the day I went. So I was so lucky, she's saying, because she can't even guess when it's gonna come. The people who give even credit card already and wait list, they are waiting like, I don't know, they don't know how long they have to wait, few months, up to 6 months. Nobody knows when it's coming. Even SA doesn't know that when it's coming, so they can't guarantee. Yeah, even though we really asked for it. So many people are on wait list, but this one was when I went there on the day it just arrived, she's saying, and I was so lucky to see, and I said I don't need to even worry, no doubt I'm gonna get it, it's mine. I was saying, yeah. So let me just open, sorry for delay. So this is, let's open. Because I haven't been to Chanel since last year, July. Yeah, so it's been like 7 months actually, right? 7-8 months. Yeah, that's it. This box is very simple now because it's not the original one. So cute, right? Already the size you can see. Okay, it's not wok. Let me be honest. Yeah, it's not wok. It's mini flat bag. And guess, I was so happy to see this, and my essay even couldn't believe I was able to get on the day without, ordering in advance. So this is, ta-da! So this is a square mini flap. So mini flap bag, rectangular shape. Isn't it beautiful? In black. You know how hard to get, mini bag in black, especially this classic line. This is champagne gold. Try to show you. Champagne gold and then black.
Lambskin
mini flat bag. So this one says the model name is 21P flat bag in black.
So there are two shapes of mini flap. One is a square mini, which is mine, and the other one is rectangular mini. So I was checking if my iPhone, which is 11 Pro Max, fit. My iPhone barely fit in square mini. My phone height was 6.2 and the mini length was 6.6, which was not snug fit, but it fits for sure. I'll show you later.
So let me try to open. So actually I was not sure. I had actually no idea about this mini flat bag because I have a 19 large size, so I was not sure I really can use this kind of mini bag. I actually mentioned several times in other videos that I don't prefer small bag, but seems like this gonna fit pretty many things, so I will try to put some basic things. Oh my god, see this chain? So I believe I can wear this. Second. I'm trying to show you. now I'll try to put things inside, but before that, let me open and take out things inside and show you quickly. Yeah, something. This is pretty big. I love this, yeah, width, because I can really put pretty many things. It's not that thin, see, as you see. I think it's gonna fit a lot of essential things. So when you see inside, serial number here, and sorry, the chain noise, and there is two pocket. One is here, like right inside. You can just put like card or something, and the other one is zipper, and you can put something. And there is, yeah, guarantee card here. Yeah, so I put back guarantee card, and I can put this to the zipper. And there's outside, there's one more pocket. This side only, two pocket, one zipper, one just pocket outside. Yeah, it's very simple inside. And the back side, smile shape pocket. Yeah, so outside there's one pocket, inside there was zipper pocket, and just like yeah, pocket like this. It's just structured bag, so I would say you might not need to put anything to keep the structure, but I don't know, I would put something like inner bag to keep clean. So I would say you might need, but I'm not sure. This is too small bag, it's already structured. I don't think it's gonna be saggy by time, so we'll see. So first, let me put iPhone. The iPhone, yeah, it's a little bit, see, almost diagonal. It fits diagonal this way. But anyway, it fits. I think you can make it a little bit, yeah, like this. It fits. Okay, good. Now I have more space. This is so big, you know. It fits, but see this? Because it's very thick, this wallet itself. So okay, let me take out this wallet. Let's say you put card holder instead of this wallet, small wallet. And key, yeah. Good. And any sunglass? Good. I'll just say card holder, sunglass, iPhone. This is Bobbi Brown compact. Yeah, this one. I fit as well. I'm not sure. I'm trying. Oh my god, it's not easy to. Okay, let me take out compact. And a little bit organized this way. I think I might need organizer. If you know good organizer for this size. Oh, perfect. See? Even there's a, yeah, space here. It's good. Oh my god, this is perfect. I'm surprised. This one was 3,800. It's really good price. I am not sure this is increased price. If you know me better than me, please let me know. Yeah, because I am not sure. Last year, how much was it? I think Chanel 19 was for sure increased. I will check the price later, but yeah, this one was pretty good price, and it fits a lot of things. I don't know why when I was using Chanel Classic Medium, it fits almost like this, but it was really more expensive than this. Then yeah, I would choose this one than Classic Medium size, I would say. So I am so satisfied with this size. It fits a lot of things than I thought. Yeah, it's so good. As you could see from the video, they have a white color, light pink, dark pink, and coral color. There were a lot of coral color. So beautiful in rear. When you see, yeah, in rear, it's so beautiful. If you want to try some pop-up color, I highly recommend coral color. It's so beautiful, really. Yeah. And I don't think it's gonna have a like serious color transfer issue than light pink or other pink color. So coral color seems very good. Yeah, but I just wanted to be safe this time because first time I buy this size, bag. Yeah, I just think black is classic and kind of safe. You can match with any outfit. That's why I chose black. Yep. So this season there was a pink, light pink, coral, white color, a lot of white color. I've seen, white Chanel 19. So beautiful, but color transfer problem. When I think about it, I cannot even think about buying it. But it's so beautiful, and it's like there was a kind of light yellow color, and light green. Yeah, those colors were so beautiful. If you are interested in more like pop-up color, yeah, you can try. But I chose black this time. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my video today. I was so happy to see this bag. I was so lucky because I didn't plan to buy. I was trying to buy like gold ring instead of bag, or like small wallet on chain. But yeah, my essay said she didn't expect to get, and I didn't know, but I was so lucky to get. I really appreciate. Yeah, she got for me, and in any way, I don't know who is on wait list. Many people might be on wait list, and I really appreciate I could get this back this time. So yeah, I am so satisfied. I don't think I'm gonna regret. I really need your support so that I can continue video and then make better video and talk about many bags, luxury items, any fashion. Yeah, so yeah, please subscribe and give it a thumb, turn the notification. Thank you so much. Bye bye.